my name is Anu and I'm the Glamfra here on YouTube, on Instagram. Thank you so much for clicking this link, and if you're new, thank you so much for coming here and clicking and probably watching in these couple of seconds. Thank you. And if you want to join the family, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. That would mean a lot to me. I would really appreciate it. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your love and affection. I really appreciate it. Our little family is growing one subscriber at a time, and I'm so happy, so ecstatic, and it makes me feel really good. Thank you so much for your support. And yeah, let's talk about today's look. So today's look I have created, this is the look that's styled by Hrush, created on Khloe Kardashian for the KKW fragrance campaign. And yeah, so it's a very glowy, peachy, nudie kind of look, which is right up my alley. This is what I do almost every day, but just a little less like glow and a little more matte and a little more acceptable on a daily basis. But I would rock this anytime, and this would be my go-to look. Let me show you the picture that I'm talking about. So here she is looking so gorgeous in this really peachy monochromatic look, which I think is going to be the it look for the festive season. I know a lot of big brands doing a lot of monochromatic makeup sets, so I think this could be something that we could be seeing very soon. The other really popular makeup artist that I love, who's also doing this, is Patrick Ta, and I think he's going to be launching his monochromatic makeup line very soon, or maybe it's even launched and I'm just living under a rock. Anyway, before this intro gets too long, let's get into the video. Let's see how I got this face snatched and ready. See you on the other side.
And inhaling every moment. It was reckless in the old days. I can see it in your eyes, cause they never tell me lies. I can feel that body shake and the heat between your legs.
Here we go down, then we go down together. They'll say you could do anything. They'll say that I was clever.
Sunday, it's never too late, so everyone say we don't wanna stop. Go! Take it, bitch! Coming, hey! I feel it coming, babe. Ain't no wishing, no, yeah.
I'ma run up on you.
I like it.
I'ma run up on you.
With your bitch ass.
I'ma run up on you. I'ma run up on you.
Hey, with your fake ass bitch ass.
She gon' strip it down for a thong, yeah. Word around town, she got the buzz, yeah. 5 shots in, she ain't wrong now.